7:30, but I got up at 8:30, and I'm just now getting out because I straightened up a little before I left because I want to try Wendy's breakfast menu today. I think I got 20 or 50 minutes because I'm not sure if it stops at 10 or 10:30, but we're gonna find out. And I'm also gonna run by the Goodwill. For some reason, I'm not sure why the Goodwill is considered essential during the pandemic, but they remain open this whole time. And because I'm still a scaredy cat, not a scaredy cat, I am conscious there. I haven't really gone unless my mom's here with me, but I'm gonna just pop in today because it's a light, like kind of light, medium overcast out, so it does look like it's gonna rain, but I don't think it's gonna rain. But that iPhone weather app's never right for the past week, so I don't know. But I still have my wipes with me. I still have my mask. A lot of people in town are not wearing masks anymore, but you gonna catch me. I'm sorry. Sorry. Looks like I could have made it in time. Let me see what they got going on.
Like trying to say birthday today.
One sec. I want the vanilla frosty chino.
What size?
Small. And let me try the just the breakfast baconator. Just a sandwich.
Okay.
That's all.
7:03 seconds. Okay.
All right. What the hell? I don't like none of those options, but okay. Okay, so I just got my food, so I'm probably I don't know. Let me park so I can eat, so I can show it to you, I guess. That was like $7, and I don't know how I feel yet because I don't want to spend $10 on breakfast. That's gonna be nasty. They probably just made a damn burger and threw some breakfast sauce on it. But here's the creamer, the frosty chino. It's not bad. It's okay. Sonic's is way better. Let's try this damn sandwich. Alright, let's try this sandwich. Okay, so that sandwich was good. I've made it to Goodwill, so I ate it on the way here. It was good. It's kind of hefty to be, a breakfast sandwich. That's just a regular baconator. Even though I've never had a baconator, but that was like a regular burger with egg. And to be fair, it is one of the better, fast food eggs. But here's my receipt. Show you I paid $3.99 for it or whatever. But out of 10, it's a 7. Definitely a 7. It's not bad at all. But I just think that's a bit much. Not even for the price. For the price, yeah, I'll pay $7 for it. I'll pay way more than that at Sonic. So, fair enough. Probably won't go back for the iced coffee either, but if there was nowhere else open and I just wanted it, I mean, you want a burger for breakfast, yeah. It's iced coffee weak. It's weak. I'm trying to give it props, but it's weak. It's like it's trying to be slightly there under that line of good. It's like I want to be good, but no. It's definitely okay. It's okay enough for me to just want to leave it in here. not taking it in the store with me. All right, let's go into the store and see what they got. So I did not do bad today. I went to Goodwill and to one other store. I decided not to get the skillet because it just wasn't, it didn't please me. So I ran to the grocery store. I placed an order for a cake, and then I went to the bank. So it is 11:59. I'm doing very well because I said I wanted to be back home by 12. So now I'm going to stop and get something to eat since it's Taco Tuesday and Cinco de Mayo. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to this restaurant by the house. It's a small restaurant, family owned. So you know, I like to support business, small businesses. So let's go place our order.